Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Yes, we've been absent for most of July. We got a new puppy back at the end of June and she's been very difficult to housebreak. My cameraman was house and pet sitting the beginning of July. And Baltimore received its total annual rainfall in the month of July alone. Our area got more than 5 inches on top of that. We were also pet sitting the 2 large dogs that we pet sit each year, and during the storms, the water supply to the toilet was broken yet again, so we did have to clean up another flooded house. Our triumphant return to video is a viewer request. Junior Little asked for my salsa recipe, which actually comes from my 1975 Sunset Home Canning book. I made it to the farmer's market this past weekend and I picked up all the ingredients. So let's see what we're gonna need. We're starting with about 6 pounds of plum tomatoes. Now you could use any tomato, but I do like the plums better because they have more flesh. We need to peel these, and in order to do that, they get dipped in boiling water for about 15 seconds or until the skins just begin to split. Then they immediately go into ice cold water. This is probably more peppers than I need, but it's over 1 pound each of jalapenos and poblanos. These are getting seeded and rough chopped as well. And because this is a fairly mild salsa, I'm adding 1 ghost pepper. We'll also need about 1 pound of onions. These need to be chopped as well. Aside from all the vegetables, we'll also need a 1.25 cups of cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. All of this needs to go into a large non-reactive pan, so no aluminum and no cast iron. It's going over medium-high heat to start. We'll add all of this in, and we need to let the tomatoes cook down just a little bit before we can begin to stir it. Once this comes to a boil and you can see the liquid on top, we need to reduce this to medium-low and allow it to simmer for about 30 minutes or until it begins to thicken. You can see that this is reduced by almost half. This can go into jars hot for canning, or you can let it cool to room temperature and then refrigerate for eating. This made close to a gallon of salsa. It's time to give this a taste. Now I know I can taste the ghost pepper in here because I can taste it in everything. Sorry about the crunching. Oh my heavens. Wonderful. This made close to a gallon of salsa. And Mike is showing up. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.